many folks you have coming through? It varies week to week, day to day, but how many people you have coming through?
The number is different. We have been serving up to 1,000 one day.
Now, I know you have people every day, but I'm trying to get a sense of the flow. The average.
Well, average, I would say 300 to 400.
Did you see the president pressured him? The man told him 1,000 people a day, and then the president did a re-ask and cleared his throat. And I don't know, is that the kind of pressure that it takes to get somebody then to change their number? That seems like a sugarcoating, given that we are hearing from Border Patrol the actual numbers. In the El Paso sector,